I just made the worst mistake you can ever do on your computer. I accidentally deleted my 1 TB hard drive. Everything gone. And for a moment, I thought there was no way to get all my data back. So here's what happened. I was just trying to format this simple drive, nothing serious, but I wasn't paying attention to what I was exactly doing, and mistakenly I selected this hard drive because it was also connected to my computer. And in just few seconds, what I did was to just click on format, and everything was gone within some few seconds, and everything was lost. And sadly, this wasn't just a normal hard drive where I just have some normal things on it. It contains my personal files, my work documents, and even all my YouTube projects that I've done. And this is the only hard drive I have all those documents on, and I just lost everything. And if it has ever happened to you, you know the moment that you just open your drive and everything will be empty. And yeah, it hit very different. So at first I really panicked, and I thought there was no way to get my data back, and I was kind of worried. The only thing I could do was just to click and refresh and unplug, plug it back in, and also try a whole lot of stuff just to make sure I get the data back, but it wasn't working for me because everything was gone. And that's where it actually hit me that, whoa, I've really lost everything. But I remembered something. Deleted doesn't mean it's gone. So instead of panicking, I decided to try recovery. So I opened a tool which my friend suggested to me, which is called Wondershare Recovery. And this tool is not sponsored by anyone. It's just a random tool that was recommended by a friend of mine at work. So what I did was to just install this application on my computer and just connect the drive. So I just connected it, and you can see the drive is connected over here. And when I hover, you can see scan, so I'll just click on it to see. And when I clicked on it, at the first stage, everything was empty, nothing there, and it's like nothing was showing. But then slowly files started showing, and one by one I saw some folders over here, videos and documents that I have. And I'm not going to lie, seeing those files seems kind of unreal, but I just kept moving anyways to see how it's gonna go. So after 3 hours, it got finished, and I was able to recover everything. And just like that, what I thought was gone forever just came back. But here's what I've really learned from this. And number one is always make sure you double check whatever you are formatting, because it might fail. I don't know, but I don't trust it that much because sometimes it might fail. So anytime you are formatting your drive, make sure you slow down for some 2 seconds to make sure you are formatting the right drive. And number two, if you have any important data, make sure you back up your data somewhere else, so that if anything like this goes wrong, you will not panic or feel so bad, and it will actually give you some guarantee that you have your data somewhere else which you can even recover later. Number three is don't panic, because in most cases the hard drives that we use are built in a way that even if files are deleted, the files can somehow be found deep inside it. So if you actually get it back and running and find some of the recovery softwares we have, then you can get your data back. And by the way, what worked for me was Wondershare Recovery, and this video wasn't sponsored by anyone. It was just my humble review on that to show you how it really worked. And I know I'm not the only person who has actually made such a mistake like this. So tell me in the comments what's your worst tech mistake you've ever made. And if you really enjoy videos like this that actually makes your digital life easier and also helps you with tools that actually works well, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my video. Peace out.